renderforest.com.
Langsdorffia hypogea. A parasitic plant that sucks all its nutrition from the roots of other plants. They can be an important part of many ecosystems due to the wide range of organisms they interact with. While they can be detrimental to the host plant's growth and reproduction, they are also a food source. Being the most commonly used host plant, it is not easy to spot the parasite's presence. It spends most of its life hidden underground as a parasitic tuber attached to its host's roots, and the parasitized plants do not look visibly different from its non-parasitized cousins. Unlike hemiparasitic plants such as mistletoes, which have leaves and are able to photosynthesis on their own, holoparasitic plants, such as L. hypogea, are wholly dependent upon their host and do not have much in the way of external structures. The only parts of L. hypogea that poke out of the ground are its red. So what pollinates it? L. hypogea skims on the sugar and secretes a relatively dilute nectar. It is enough to attract many insects. Researchers see that L. hypogea is visited by a variety of insects ranging from ants to wasps to cockroaches, but judging from the flower's structure, the research team proposed that the main pollinators of L. hypogea are more likely to be larger.
There are only 4 known species of the plant: L. hypogea mart, L. malagasica, L. papuanagisink and L. heterotepala. All 4 of the species are parasitic, and all 4 bloom during dry periods on a forested floor near the plant they are using for sustenance. The males are stalked, females are sessile, and both exude a fluid that smells sweet enough to attract other creatures, some of which are likely pollinators. The fluid in males comes from their nubbin, while in females, it comes from their skirt. They are all few in number and live in very remote locations, thus, it is not known how many of any of the species are alive today. The researchers suggest the biology of the plant is so unique that it challenges the notion of plants and what they are. They conclude by suggesting Langsdorffia is unlike any other plant in existence, and because so very little is known about it, more work is required.
renderforest.com.